June 2026, Saturday. Ito, alas 4, pasado na. Ito na, power up ko na aking bagong welding machine, inverter type welding machine. 3 functions, MIG, TIG, MMA. Ayan, nabili ko na last week pa to. Ito, tinitesting ko. Walang grounding eh. Walang grounding. I have to adjust. Bahay ng grounding. Bahay ng grounding. Ito, mantara. I'm gonna take it. Inverter welding machine. Kokso. China naman to. I'm gonna take it. Mercy. I'm gonna take it. Ay magana, may na ang grounding. Wala, may pintura kasi yung bakal. Kaya adjust siya, papunta yung bakal.